The 2025 Yamaha Neos keeps its sleek and compact body, making it ideal for navigating congested streets. It features updated LED lighting, sharper body lines, and a refined digital display, giving it a more futuristic appeal. Yamaha has also worked on improving aerodynamics, ensuring a smoother and more efficient ride. Powering the Neos is Yamaha's latest electric drive unit, delivering instant torque and a silent, emissions-free ride. The scooter is equipped with a removable lithium-ion battery, providing an estimated range of 40 miles, 64 kilometers, per charge. Need more range? Yamaha offers an optional second battery that extends the range up to 80 miles, 128 kilometers, making it a versatile choice for both short commutes and extended urban rides. Charging is simple and convenient. The battery can be charged while inside the scooter or removed for home or office charging. A standard charge takes about 8 hours, but with Yamaha's fast charging option, you can reach 80% charge in just 2 hours. One of the standout features of the 2025 Neos is its connected technology. The scooter comes with Yamaha's MyRide app, allowing riders to track battery status, ride history, and even receive maintenance alerts. It also includes keyless ignition and an anti-theft system, ensuring both convenience and security. Yamaha has focused on rider comfort with improved ergonomics, a wider seat, and a revised suspension system for better shock absorption. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising at a steady pace, the Neos offers a smooth and comfortable experience. In terms of performance, the Neo's max speed remains around 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for urban commuting. The lightweight chassis and agile handling allow for effortless maneuvering, while the linked braking system, LBS, ensures safety during sudden stops. The 2025 Yamaha Neos is available in multiple color options, giving riders the choice to match their style. Yamaha has also introduced new accessories, including smartphone mounts, extra storage options, and windshields for added practicality. With rising fuel costs and increasing environmental concerns, the Yamaha Neos is an excellent solution for modern urban riders. It's stylish, efficient, and packed with smart features that make daily commuting effortless and fun. If you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly way to get around the city, this electric scooter should be at the top of your list. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Yamaha Neos. Would you consider going electric for your next ride? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz TV for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the world of two-wheelers. See you in the next video.